Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make Facebook account private. So if you also want to make Facebook account private, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. So if you want to make the Facebook account private, what you have to do is make all of your informations on Facebook private. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen just below the message icon. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see your profile. Also you'll be able to find several options over here. Scroll down. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for settings and privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options related to the settings and privacy. You'll be able to find several options related to tools and resources. Also, you'll be able to find the options for preferences. Also, you'll be able to find the option for audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility section, over here, you'll be able to find several options. If you want to make your account private, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the option profile locking. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you lock your profile, your photos and posts will be private. Only your friends will be able to see your past and future photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to see public posts you're tagged in, search for you and send you friend requests. After reading these informations very carefully, simply tap on the option lock your profile that you can see at the bottom. Now after doing that, your profile will be locked. Now also what you can do is tap on the option how people find and contact you. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is change all the options to only me. At first you'll be able to find the option for who can send you friend requests. You'll not be able to change it to only me, but tap on the second option, that is who can see your friend list. Now simply tap on the option only me. Now tap on the option save. Now what you have to do is repeat this process for all of the options. Tap on the option people with your email address. Tap on the option no one over here. After that, tap on the save option. Likewise, tap on the option people with your phone number. Tap on the option no one. After that, tap on the save option. Now after you adjust all these options to only me, your profile will be private. So that is how you make Facebook account private. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.